What are artificial preservatives? Artificial preservatives are chemical additives that can slow down or restrict food deterioration caused by microorganisms and oxidation reactions. In the baking and food industry, they are used in baking to extend shelf life and preserve quality characteristics during transport and commercialization. Three main kinds are antimicrobials, antioxidants, chelating agents, also known as sequestrants. What do they do? The three main categories of artificial preservatives are antimicrobials. These restrict and inhibit the growth of spoilage organisms, such as mold and root bacteria. Antioxidants. These artificial preservatives stabilize fats and oils, as well as delay their oxidation. Also, they prevent discoloration of natural pigments. Chelating agents aid in binding metals that can cause oxidation in fats and oils. Here are some common antimicrobials and how they are used. Benzoates, such as potassium, calcium, and sodium, can be used in high-acid fillings, fruits, and jams. However, they can significantly slow yeast activity and fermentation rate. Propionates, both calcium and sodium, may be directly added to yeast-leavened bakery formulations such as white pan bread, buns, variety bread, or frozen dough. Nonetheless, excessive amounts can create strong soapy flavors and off odors. Potassium sorbate can be used in pie fillings and icings. Here are some common antioxidants and how they are used. Ascorbic acid is used to prevent the enzymatic browning of fruit and strengthen dough. While it is compatible with the clean label trend, when in the presence of oxygen it can lose its antioxidant properties. BHA, BHT, TBHQ, and propyl gallate can all be used in fat-rich baked goods to remove the free radicals formed during the autoxidation of unsaturated lipids. Also, they may help protect fat-soluble vitamins A, D, and E. Here are some common chelating agents and how they are used. Citric acid, polyphosphates, and EDTA can be used to improve the whipping properties of angel food cakes and meringues. Also, these artificial preservatives can be used to control the reaction of trace metals with food components, as well as to prevent the deterioration of color and oxidation. Although citric acid is compatible with the clean label trend, polyphosphates and EDTA are not. To learn more about artificial preservative application percentages and how the FDA regulates these ingredients, visit BAKERpedia.com. Learn more about all things baking by signing up for our newsletter. Until next time, bakers. At BAKERpedia, we're here on a need-to-know basis.